afternoon.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Sanjeev from VC Media. We are an organization who has covered about 300 events and about 600 interviews. We covered all the events which are happening in NCR Delhi, and it is a great honor to have you on the show today. Welcome to UP International Trade Show. We would like to introduce yourself. So we have with us Mr. Park, and who happened to be also showcased in the which event called Shark Tank.
Right.
We would like to understand from him his success story and anything he wants to communicate to the media.
Sure. Thank you. So, first of all, I'll just give you a brief about who I am and all that. So, my name is Parth, and I represent a company called Chic Wheel. So, Chic Wheel is a combination of two words. जैसे नाम suggest करता है. Chic means stopwatch, and wheels means पहिया. Right. So, we do premium products on wheels, which means business on wheels. That is what we do, and we have been doing this for more than 8 years now. And the day we started until date, there's a lot of things we have done, a lot of platforms we have covered. And Shark Tank being one of them, it was a super experience over there. And right now we are at an exhibition wherein, we are promoting our stuff. We're trying to inspire people that, even in a smaller amount, you can start something of your own. Right? And then you, rather than being employed somewhere, you can be an employment giver yourself. So that's something, we're here for, to help people out there, give them something to start with a smaller amount rather than, spending hefty amounts.
So something about your success story, how it all evolved. So how can people take inspiration from you going forward?
Yeah, so I'll tell you one thing, which is there. Passion is something which is a must, right? Just follow what you like, follow what you enjoy, and then your work would seem like a playground. Like, the sky would be a limit. It'll be super duper easy. And that's what I did. I always wanted to enter into the hospitality trade, wanted to do something of my own. I wanted to do something around food. And that's what I followed. And, right now here I am, with you. Achieving different goals and different heights.
So what is it that you're showcasing here?
So we have different modules over here. What we have tried to showcase is there are a lot of things on wheels which can be done beyond food. Because abhi tak kya hota tha, people were mainly about food trucks and things like that. But now what we are trying to show them that a lot of things other than food is also possible. Like we're standing in front of a boutique cafe. So this is something, a combination of a cafe come clothing store. So this is one of the concepts which is very famous down there in South. A lot of stores, a lot of physical stores like, big brands like Kate Spade and all, they have these concepts over there. So that's what, we have taken an inspiration, we provide a combination of stuff. Then we do a lot of other stuff like, we do pet grooming vehicles, we do, mobile saloons. It can be a product display, it can be a cosmetic showroom. So it can be a makeup studio, it can be an interview room. So you can do podcast, while you're on the go. So you just think about it, and our company help you out to deliver that product.
So can we have a rundown of this?
Sure, please.
Can you just stop?
So, the moment we enter, this is the first thing, which is a distribution board. यहाँ से आपका सारा ट्रक का इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर सप्लाई कंट्रोल होता है. We are here in a food truck. So this becomes your gas bank. It comes with the proper safety guards and all. So यहाँ पर पूरा एक मल्टी कुजीन सेटअप का कुकिंग है. So this becomes your fryer, you have your hot plate. On the other side, if you'll see, we have given you 3 burners for your cooking part. Plus, there's a proper suction system which is there. So with
Emission.
Exactly. So the chef who's working inside will have a very comfortable environment. Plus, if you notice, all the walls inside are stainless steel. And it is insulated. Insulation का मतलब बाहर की दीवार अलग है, अंदर अलग है, और बीच में एक पूरा का पूरा इंसुलेशन का लेयर है, जिससे आउटसाइड का टेम्परेचर और इंदर का टेम्परेचर डिफरेंट होगा. Which means even if there's a harsh climate outside, अंदर would be a pleasant thing for your team to work.
Correct.
This becomes your assembly counter. We have under counter refrigerators underneath. We have your sandwich grillers, salamanders, for your baking stuff. यहाँ सारा plating होता है. In case you've noticed, there's a glass in front of you.
Right.
Idea is that your customers see what is going inside and they get to know कि आप किस hygienic तरीके से कर रहे हैं. And मैं आपको एक और चीज बता दूं, ये पूरा का पूरा glass insulated है, which means again outside temperature and inside temperature would differ.
Control.
Our funda is very clear. The guys who are working inside has to have a pleasant environment. Only then they'll be able to work for you to their 100% on the job.
Right. And then that is your decision.
Yes. So this is just like a cafe concept. Is दरवाजे के पीछे is the cooking part, which is the back of the house, जिसको हम कहते हैं
Kitchen.
technical language में. This is the front of the house where the customer interaction dispensing happens. यहाँ आपका till आ जाएगा with small display, refrigerated है, आपके packed beverages and all, ये सारा इसके अंदर आ सकता है. So immediately the order comes, you can take it out and dispense it. So that the functioning and everything becomes very smooth.
So you have a buffet counter, kitchen equipment, food truck, food trailer, food kiosk, food truck, self-suction lifeguard. All today, these are some of the today's special that you are tasting. Fantastic. That will be a great motivation for people to to do their startup actually. And there is a second venture that you are into, which is your Apple.
Yes. So we're trying to showcase different concepts over here. This from smaller segments, like we've done an electric scooter wherein we're doing bhel puri, jhal muri.
Correct.
Then we have puchka cart. We have these tea and coffee carts. So we're just trying to showcase different stuff to people so that they understand that there's a huge variety of things that we have, and obviously we can customize based on a requirement also. And on the back, this is again that boutique cafe which we were talking about before. So, in case you want to see, the entire service window comes down and goes up with the press of a button.
Okay.
You press a button, the entire window goes down, you press it, it opens up.
Fantastic. So you buy your product and you have a coffee.
Yes, so if you go inside, it's like a complete showroom on wheels that we have tried to create. So, you have a mirror so that, the customer can try it on, see, themselves in the mirror. And आपके साथ अगर कोई accompany आपकी family करे, they can just sit over there, relax. Meanwhile, the person's just seeing the clothes and trying it around. So एक चीज plan की गई है. So our idea is just to showcase कि आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. You tell the product you a jewelry show.
You have a vision and we can deliver it.
100%.
Fantastic. That was an enormous thought process. Artist, congratulations to you on the success. And we hope that you grow leaps and bounds.
Thank you so much, sir.
May all the viewers who are seeing this small interview are getting motivated as to, in case they want to start their own venture, they can connect with Mr. Parth and take it further. So on behalf of VC Media, I would like to thank you.
Thank you.
And we wish you all the very best. VC Media we are also coming with a Mohim which we call as Rally for Startups. And what do you think about that proposition that we are into?
So I think it's a very good initiative because what happens, right? There are a lot of people who wants to do something, but at the end of the day, they also need a push. So with initiative like this, it becomes a super duper initiative that they get that small push which at times is needed.
Ignition.
Exactly. So
Small push.
you're there to ignite the rocket basically. So you ignited a small thing, fire, it'll engine the entire rocket.
So you can be a support to us when we go in for this kind of a Mohim.
Sure, sir, definitely.
And we look forward for your support as we move along. And we wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank
Same
you
to
so
sir.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.